Okay, we're looking at the first year core textbook, mixed exercise 9. So we are looking at some trig. We're on question 16. Okay, and what have we got? Yeah, so graph below shows, so there's just that's just a normal graph of sine theta, and one value of theta equals alpha. So alpha is a specific point on that curve. Copy the graph and mark on the theta axes the positions of 180 minus alpha, 180 plus alpha. Okay, that's sort of a bit of a warm-up question. So this isn't an exam question, this one. It's not quite a, sort of that style. Okay, so I'm going to try and do a relatively big sketch. I've got to add some stuff to it. Okay, so they've told me, so obviously I know that those intercepts are 180 and 360. Alpha is about there. Okay, so 180 minus alpha. So if that's alpha, I want to come that distance down from 180. So that would be, well, for my sake, that would be about there. Okay, and then 180 plus alpha. Okay, so if that's alpha, I want to go 180 up from there. Sorry, I want to go alpha up from there. So that's going to be about there. So 180 plus alpha. And then they want 360 minus alpha. Okay, so that's alpha. So 360 minus alpha will take me down to about there. Okay, so that's the first bit. And then verify that sine alpha. Yeah, so this is sort of just really showing you stuff about, or reminding you about some of the properties of the sine curve, really. So verify that sine alpha equals 180. It's the same as sine as, can't speak, the same as sine of 180 minus alpha. Okay, well, so obviously this is a sketch. It's not particularly drawn to scale, but we can just show that on the graph there. So the sine of alpha does equal the same as sine of 180 minus alpha. So let's call that k. Okay, and then we also want to show that they equal the same as the negative value of sine of 180 plus alpha and sine of 360 minus alpha. So the other 2 points. So clearly we can see that they don't give you the same value, because these are both going to give us negative values for sine, but they do give us the same as each other. And because of the rotational symmetry of the graph, I can say, so if I maybe look at that point and that point, I can say that they will be the same magnitude, but obviously these two will give us the second ones there. Okay, so let's just add a note to say, let's just scroll up a little bit. So sine of, what are we looking at now? 180 plus alpha equals the same as sine of 360 minus alpha, and they both equal minus k. Okay, so I think we've verified that as much as we can from those graphs, from that graph.